Hey everybody, my name is Christina and I'm excited to be on this journey with everybody. For today's question regarding our struggles and our journey, my struggles have been pretty much ever since I got out of high school. I have gained weight and a lot of it has been because of stress eating. And back at the beginning of this year, I started taking Shakeology and drinking it and exercising, and I was seeing results. I was losing weight, I was getting more fit, and it wasn't just me noticing it by my clothes and how they fit, but other people were noticing it too and making really nice comments, and I loved that. Unfortunately, due to finances and other circumstances, I unfortunately had to stop drinking Shakeology, and I got extraordinarily busy between work and school and children and life that I ended up not being able to fit exercising in, and my eating habits slipped. And in the process of several months, not only did I gain back all the weight that I lost with the programs like T25 and 21 Day Fix, but I gained even more. So my successes have been when I do the program, when I commit to the program, it works, and I feel wonderful and I feel great. My struggles have been stress eating, and when I'm under a lot of stress, it's really easy to grab and go. My biggest weakness is ice cream. I love ice cream, and unfortunately so does everybody in my family. So I need to not buy the ice cream. That's just what it comes down to. So what I'm hoping to get out of this journey is a little bit more discipline, a little bit more self-control, but also to really commit to wanting to make a change, not only with my eating habits and exercising and staying really healthy, but mentally just make a change that I'm in this for the long term. This is not a short-term solution, this is a long-term solution. And trying to get my family more on board with it as well. They're very supportive of me, but changing their eating habits as well is a little bit more difficult. So my journey is a long one, as I've been dealing with weight issues for over 20 years. However, my weight is the most it's ever been, even when I was pregnant with my children. So I need to do something extreme. I need to do something where I'm really working hard and I'm really sweating good, but I need to do something that's a long-term change and understand that some of the nice treats that I like are in moderation and only every so often as what they call a treat. Just a treat, not an everyday get a bowl of ice cream and sit down in front of the TV. So I've had a lot of struggles, but there are a lot of struggles that I brought on myself, and I need to overcome those and find another avenue when I'm stressing because of school, because of children, because of work. When I'm stressing, another avenue to go ahead and satisfy that stress and have that stress go away rather than grabbing a bowl of ice cream. So I hope everybody's doing well, and I really look forward to this journey with all of you and beyond. Bye. Have a good one.